Awning windows are a popular choice for many homeowners in Cayce, SC, thanks to their unique design and functionality. These windows, hinged at the top and opening outward, offer excellent ventilation even during light rain and add a stylish touch to any home. However, like all window types, awning windows can experience certain issues over time. Understanding these common problems and knowing how to address them can help homeowners maintain the beauty and efficiency of their windows. Difficulty opening and closing. One of the most frequent complaints about awning windows is that they become hard to open or close. This can happen due to several reasons. Accumulated dirt and debris. Over time, dirt, dust, and leaves can gather in the window's tracks and hinges, making it tough to operate smoothly. Worn-out hardware. The hinges and crank mechanisms may wear down or become misaligned after prolonged use. Paint or sealant buildup. Sometimes, repeated painting or application of sealant can cause the window frame to stick. How to fix it? Start by cleaning the tracks and hinges thoroughly with a brush and mild soap solution. Lubricate the moving parts with a silicone-based lubricant to reduce friction. If the hardware appears damaged or misaligned, consider replacing or adjusting it. Be careful when painting around awning windows to avoid sealing them shut. Leaks and draft. Cayce's humid climate and seasonal storms can expose awning windows to leaks and drafts if they are not properly sealed. Worn or damaged weather stripping. Over time, weather stripping can deteriorate, allowing air and water to seep through. Improper installation. If the window wasn't installed correctly, gaps may exist between the frame and the wall. Damaged seals on glass panes. The seals that hold the glass in place can crack or fail, causing condensation or leaks. How to fix it? Inspect the weather stripping around the window and replace any worn or damaged sections. Use a high-quality sealant around the edges where the frame meets the wall to block gaps. If you notice condensation between double-glazed panes, it may indicate seal failure, and the glass unit might need professional replacement. Rust and corrosion on hardware. Because awning windows open outward and are often exposed to the elements, their metal components, such as hinges, cranks, and screws, can rust or corrode. Exposure to moisture, humidity and rain can cause metal parts to oxidize. Poor maintenance. Lack of regular cleaning and lubrication accelerates corrosion. How to fix it? Regular maintenance is key. Clean metal parts periodically and apply a protective coating or lubricant designed for metal hardware. If rust has progressed too far, replace the affected components to ensure smooth operation and prevent further damage. Cracked or broken glass. Accidents, severe weather, or natural wear can lead to cracked or broken glass panes in awning windows. Impact damage. Hail, fallen branches, or debris can crack the glass. Thermal stress. Extreme temperature changes can sometimes cause glass to break. How to fix it? Damaged glass should be replaced promptly for safety and energy efficiency. Contact a professional window repair service to measure and install a new pane that matches the original specifications. Temporary fixes like clear tape can prevent glass shards from falling but are not long-term solutions. Difficulty locking the window. Awning windows have locking mechanisms that secure them in the closed position. If these locks fail, the window may not seal properly, reducing security and energy efficiency. Misaligned locks. Hinges or frames shifting over time can cause the lock to miss its catch. Broken or worn locks. Mechanical parts can wear out or break. How to fix it? Check if the lock aligns correctly and adjust the window frame or hardware if needed. For broken locks, replace them with compatible parts. Regular inspection helps ensure locks remain functional. Preventive tips for awning window care in Cayce homes. To keep your awning windows functioning well, follow these maintenance tips. Clean windows and hardware regularly. Lubricate hinges and cranks at least twice a year. Inspect weather stripping and seals every season. Avoid painting over moving parts. Schedule professional inspections every few years. By addressing these common issues promptly and practicing routine maintenance, Cayce homeowners can enjoy the unique benefits of awning windows, fresh air, protection from rain, and aesthetic appeal, without hassle. Taking care of your awning windows not only improves comfort and energy efficiency but also protects your investment for years to come.